Welcome back, everybody. We're up in the high country, elk hunting, muzzleloader. My son, Aaron, and my friend, Steve. The last 2 days, we've been eating granola bars, jerky, and freeze-dried meals. But today, I went into Walmart, and look what I found. Pumpkin Kodiak cakes? Stay tuned. The instructions call for 1 cup of Kodiak flapjack mix with 3/4 cup water, but with any pancake or flapjack mix, I sort of do it to sight. We'll pour out all the mix and then we'll add water until it looks the way I want it to look. Let's see what we have going on here. I definitely need a little more water. Let's give it a try, round 2. That's looking a little more like flapjack batter. I think we're in the ballpark. I have some extra virgin olive oil. Always like to wipe that into my griddle top, make it nice and slick before I cook anything. Since I didn't use my measuring cup to measure water, we'll use it to scoop my flapjack batter. And let's give it a go. Whew. You can see the sky changing behind me. We have rainstorms coming and going. I may or may not have messed one of these up off camera, so let's go in for a flip. I think we'll take that last one that's the largest and has a little more black accents. We'll put that on the bottom. Then I think we'll put this one right in the middle. Last but not least, the smallest one on top. Now it's time to dress them up and make them look pretty. I picked up a bunch of other toppings at Walmart when I picked up the Kodiak cake, so I have extra creamy whipped cream, Land O'Lakes cinnamon sugar butter, pumpkin pie spice, and of course, pure maple syrup. The storms are moving in, but the fall harvest is alive and well here in the high country, baby. It looks like we're about to get the mother of all storms here, so I'm trying my best. I'm taking pictures of this bad boy. I'm gonna give it a try for you here. Let's see if I can get a cross section for you on camera. This is what happens in real life. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna be lucky to get out of here alive. Everything's blowing away. Oh my goodness. It's delicious, but it is pouring rain right now. Oh my goodness, Steve just helped me batten down the hatch. I don't know if anybody else is gonna get any pancakes. It is pouring. It's pouring rain here, and I struggled to get you the pumpkin flapjack, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't really need a recipe for this one, so I don't think I'll put it up at blackstoneproducts.com. And it's still raining, but we're still trying to make more pumpkin flapjacks. Flapjacks only took an hour and a half because we had 3 rainstorms. Make sure you're watching all of our shows on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, Todd, Aaron, and Steve, praise the Lord and pass the pumpkin flapjacks from Colorado high country.